Nifty Bank is slightly off the day's high as we speak.
Okay, I think there's a mistake there. We're playing the wrong toss. We should try and get to Agam in a bit. Market closes at day's high, led by financials and pharmaceutical stocks. Sensex and Nifty each gained close to 1% in the green.
Banks and NBFCs gain on RBI, offering them flexibility to recast loans of small borrowers.
Right when India's real estate sector had started feeling a bit stronger.
Well, what we witnessed today is this classic change in narrative. We'll take a break on that note, but do stay tuned. There are lots more interesting details from the markets that we have lined up for you after this break.